How to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and I will show you how you can create a broadcast channel on your Instagram account. Make sure that you have installed the latest version of Instagram on your device so that you won't miss out any feature. Broadcast is a new feature, so you might miss out if you don't update your Instagram to its latest version. So after opening the Instagram, you can simply go on the top down right section where is your profile. After that, tap on the plus icon. After tapping on the plus icon, if the broadcast will be available in your region, then at the last there will be an option of channel. When you tap on channel, you can simply keep a name of your channel and then you can create a broadcast channel of your own from your followers. Since we don't have the feature available in our region, so we cannot create the broadcast channel right here. But if you have it available, then you can create your own broadcast channel just like that. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all for today. See you on the next video.